Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change charging animation in Galaxy A05 device. So as you know that we don't have any default settings of charging animation, changing charging animation, but we can use a third-party application by Play Store. So just tap to Play Store and then search for Mega Animation Charging. So this one is the application, battery charging animation app. Just install this application. This application is free by the way, but it contains some ads. All you guys have to do is just open this application, just continue to app and then click to skip. Again skip, allow the notifications and just go to animations. So this type of ads appear. Just click to skip video and then these are the animations. I am selecting the neon feature right now and by the way, these diamond one are the premium, so which we cannot use, but we can use these simple features. So I'm selecting this one. Again, an ad appears. Just skip the ad. Just click to apply. Okay now. So this is how it look like. Now just click to apply and then click to agree and continue to allow the permission. Now go back and then click to apply. So one time again ad appears. Just skip the video. Click apply. This is how it look like. Okay. Now let's see the result. Just plug in the charger and this is how it looked like. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.